Okay, locomotion in birds. How the birds can fly? 鸟到底怎样飞 ？Okay， 不是这样飞 ，because you cannot see my hand， 看不到手，所以我必须这样子飞啦。So how the birds can fly？ 有什么方法可以飞呢 ？Okay， before I start, we may be watching the video. I also don't know what is the video inside. 里面到底是什么来着？忘记了。
You're going to need specialized muscles to move those wings. So your pectoral muscles in particular are going to be very large.
Hundreds of muscles, tendons, and ligaments power a diverse range of wing movements. The centerpieces of this system are the flight muscles. Pectoralis major, and beneath it, supracoracoideus. Together, they form the engines of avian flight. When the pectoral muscles contract, they pull
these two muscles, okay, and we call 鸡胸周 okay, right. So how the birds can fly? 鸟到底怎样飞呢？ So when the birds fly in the air, they're facing a lot of problems. Okay, number one, if you're flying in the air, you're not having any support. If you walk on the floor, okay, the floor actually support you. 它可以 support 着你 Okay, or when you fly in the air, there's no support and you cannot stop. You totally cannot stop. And also, air having resistance, 空气也是有阻力的。Okay, so how they overcome these problems? Number one, if you want to fly, you must be lightweight. 你一定要够轻，对不对 ？Okay, so reduce the weight, 减少体重。But how the birds reduce the weight? Number one, hollow bone, 空心的骨头。Small head, 它的头小小个，罢了小头。And the brain is also very small. 它的头脑更小罢了，没有脑吧。Single organs, okay, they don't having pair. We're having one pair of kidney, okay, so they don't having pair single organ. Absence of teeth, 连牙都没有 ，okay, 连牙都冇嘅。Sweat skin 没有汗腺，没有流汗 ，or does not store fat 没有收藏脂肪，收了就飞不起 ，okay. So they're having streamlined bodies, 流线型的身体 ，covered with a waterproof feather， 还有防水的羽毛 ，okay. Or anything special 还有什么特别呢 ？Aerofoil shaped wings. Okay, the wings having the shape called aerofoil. What is mean by aerofoil? I don't know what we call in Chinese. 花叫什么 I don't know. But I know aerofoil very well. 不过我对这个字很厉害了，很喜欢这个字 aerofoil. Or this is the shape of the wings to produce a lift. Or because of the shape, 因为这个形状的关系啊 birds can fly, aeroplane can fly. Or you should learn this in your physics called aerofoil. It's actually about pressure 啦 aerofoil 这种形状的翅膀帮助它浮在空中飞上 lift 它产生一种 lift 浮起来越浮越高 aerofoil okay or if you catch a bird 你把鸟抓回来 you cut their wings 你切它的翅膀 and you look at from the side you look at the wings from the side most of them having this shape 通常都有这个形状叫 aerofoil okay and I don't know how to call it in Chinese or aerofoil actually they apply the principle called Bernoulli principle okay because of the shape because of the principle called Bernoulli principle in physics finally our aircraft can fly 飞机都能飞了 okay but ask your physics teacher don't ask me what is mean by aerofoil I can explain but I cannot explain here 不过在这边呢我就不可以乱讲话了 okay 我只教白又罢了So aerofoil to produce a lift 因为这种形状造成它浮起来飞在天空 Okay, next. Or what are the special characteristics that is adapted by the birds to fly 给它飞呢 Powerful muscle attached to the sternum 它的胸部这边呢有很强的 muscle and the muscle is called what? Copy first 这两片 muscle Pectoralis major and pectoralis minor 一片大一片小的 Pectoralis major Pectoralis minor 这两种 muscle Okay, now this is what we call powerful muscle attached to the sternum 它的胸部这边呢有两块最强的 muscle 这种呢就叫 pectoralis major and pectoralis minor Okay, so powerful muscle 它的鸡胸肉啊，就是全世界最好料的 muscle，powerful， 它可以从中国飞到马来西亚它都能打鼾的，你跑2步就累了。So this is what we call pectoralis major, pectoralis minor. So how the birds fly？ 鸟到底怎样飞的呢 ？OK， 可能要抄到哈。So birds have a pair of antagonistic muscle， 它有一对相对的 muscle called antagonistic muscle， pectoralis major, pectoralis minor， 大片跟小片的2片 muscle。OK，but how these two muscles help the birds to fly？ 这2片 muscle 到底怎样帮它飞的 ？OK。Prepare your notes， 准备好了没有？刚才的抄这边啊，来。So when the bird fly, it just having 2 steps， 它只有2个步骤罢了。OK，upstroke。Sorry, my wings. OK，should not become so wide， 应该要比较窄一点。So the first step, upstroke. Second step, downstroke. Upstroke, downstroke, upstroke, downstroke, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so the first step.Upstroke. So what happened during the upstroke? 在 upstroke 的时候，什么事情发生呢 ？Okay, so when the wings moving up, who actually pulling the wings up? 谁呢把翅膀呢拉上去的呢 ？This is a smaller pieces of muscle called pectoralis muscle minor. Okay, so pectoralis minor. Pectoralis minor contract and pulling the wings up. 它收缩，把翅膀呢拉上去。Okay, but what happened to this bigger piece of muscle? 这片比较大片的呢，怎样呢 ？Pectoralis major will be relaxed， 它就放松。So pectoralis major relax， 这边大片的它就放松。Okay, so this is upstroke. So write some sentence， 写一些句子了。Upstroke, okay, upstroke， 翅膀跑上去的时候 ，upstroke. So when the pectoralis minor muscle contract, upstroke actually is easier one. Okay.If you open your wings or 你翅膀开啊 you don't do anything, okay? And because of the air resistance, it will be moved up also. 它自己也是会跑上来的。So when the pectoralis minor muscle contract and the pectoralis major muscle relax, the wings are pulled up. This is what we call upstroke. 这个时候就叫 upstroke. Our second step, it will be downstroke. Okay, downstroke. 这个时候就要比较用力了 downstroke.Downstroke to provide a lift， 给你飞起来，给你浮起来。So this is downstroke. Okay. So what muscle contract？ 哪一片 muscle 收缩呢 ？Pectoralis major， 大片的那一片 ，pectoralis major， 放大给你。Pectoralis major contracts， 它收缩 ，and pull the wings down， 把翅膀呢拉下来。And what happened to this pectoralis minor? Okay, the pectoralis minor relax， 它放松了。Okay, so simple。再来 ，so downstroke. When the pectoralis major muscle contracts, okay， 大片的 contract。And the pectoralis minor muscle relax， 小片的放松 ，the wings are pulled down， 它的翅膀呢就被拉下来了。So up and down, up and down, up and down with the help of the aerofoil shape， 呀，然后它的 aerofoil 帮助它。Okay，and what happened? How if I 加多一句 ，make the sentence complete 了，给它句子更美丽。Right here， OK， 写在这边。The wings which move up and down rhythmically 有旋律的上下上下 ，OK， generate the forward thrust as well as provide the lift for flying birds， 它就产生了一种推力、推前力 ，and provide a lift 也产生了一种浮力了 for the flying birds， so the birds finally can fly， 鸟最后就能飞了 ，OK。Okay, that's all for the birds. Okay, 鸟就是这样子罢了。So we continue for the next item. Bye bye.